Hi everyone, good evening or good morning or maybe even good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. Just here on the beach this fine evening, about 7 o'clock would you say? Yeah, about 7 o'clock. Just taking a nice slow walk home along Levante beach, just to calm us down a bit. Just absolutely lovely. Scooter Sue up there, I think. Yeah, there she is. Scooter Sue. Now, I do apologise for what I did say on the stream last night. I apologise if I upset any of you guys at home. I apologise if I said something bad about Sue as well. I was a bit peed off last night. But today's a new day, guys. Hopefully you can all forget that. I'm just walking along in the sea. It's just beautiful. I'd say this is perfect for anything, really. Like, you've had a bad day, you've had a bad week, you've had a bad month, just come for a walk along the beach. You can't beat it. You honestly can't beat it. It's not too cold, just right. Just been for a meal at recently reopened Vincent's Park, also known as the Plaza. Very good food in there, guys. Highly recommend it. And just to let you know, we did actually pay for that. Looks like something's going on up there. Hope everything's alright up there. I think from what I've heard, there was some bloke getting some chest pains, so I think someone has decided just to get an ambulance to come give him a look over, make sure he's okay. Just show you where we are. You can just see Simple down there. Zoom in a bit and you will just make out the Benidorm quads. Benny cactus there. Look, there we are. There's the Benidorm. Right. There's the Castel and Benidorm Mediterranean. Zoom out a bit there. Getting soaked here, and there's Benidorm at Mike. Just going to walk along a bit more now because my shorts are absolutely drenched. Zoom out a bit so I can show you these awesome sandcastles the kids have built. That actually looks a bit like an olden day medieval fort sort of thing, which looks awesome, honest to God. I wish my sandcastle building talents were as good as that, guys. Then you got this one here. Now that just looks awesome. Some of the kids here are very talented, whether it's singing or playing football. The younger generations can have some pretty interesting talents. So Casablanca there as well. Now the sea is still quite warm, guys, so you can still go for a paddle, you can still swim in it as well. I do believe if we're still here for Christmas, which we will be coming for a swim. Traditional Christmas thing here to do in Benidorm is go for a swim on Christmas Day. I know it does sound crazy, but it is worth it. Me and Dad have done it numerous occasions and it's just fun. It is very fun. Absolutely beautiful tonight. Did get a bit of rain on Sunday night as well, guys. So typical me, I did bring a jumper out thinking, well now it's autumn, it is going to be a lot colder of an evening. But it isn't really. It isn't cold at all. I mean, I'm here with my shirt off, pair of shorts on, enjoying the night. And just there, of course, is Hotel Simbel. Honestly, I don't know why I don't do this more often, guys. It is just relaxing. I mean, I'm just stood here on my own. No one's bothered me. No one really cares what I'm doing. Just perfect, really. just trying to write my name in the sand now, guys. And of course the sea washes it away. It's magnificent down here, guys, honest to God. Further down the beach there was a lifeguard chair. Lifeguard went about, I think they do finish duty at a certain time. So some young lad had just not put himself in it, got his Bluetooth speaker with some music blasting out, got a couple cans of beer, just enjoying life. And I mean, you've always got to remember that no matter how tough life gets, just keep fighting, keep going, never give up, guys. I take to writing my name in the sand. Yeah. No, isn't gonna work, is it, guys? I've sort of got to be. Think I'll carry on, guys. You all know my name anyway, everyone. Benidorm Crazy Mark. And honest to God, I appreciate every single one of you guys. You are what have made me Now again, I do apologise if I have also upset any of you by some of the stuff I say, or when I've been responding to other people's comments or anything like that. I'm sorry if you dislike me, I'm sorry if you think I'm a disgrace. Now, I have been told to try to keep happy, but just a quick comment to those of you who think I'm going back home. All this you see in front of you, all that, and this is my home. and I'm never gonna leave it. I love doing what I'm doing, guys. I do get a lot of stick for doing what I'm doing, yes, but now I'm just going to ignore it and keep those of you who do like me happy. I mean, I do these videos to cheer guys up, like if you've had a bad day or you're just missing Benidorm, like, just as why I do these videos. So guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.